So here's a quick little overview of what we shot today. Here's the primary weapon system, 223 Wild, Romeo 4H green dot. It's got the pop-up backup mag pull sights, ambi charging handle. This thing's a lot of fun. I really like it. I always call it my Call of Duty gun because it's kind of riced out, but it's fun. The Tikka T3X, super light. It's got the fluted barrel, Vortex Viper, 6.5 to 20 mag. I really like this. It's a great all-around hunting rifle. Everything I need it to do, it does. So, the old trusty 5th gen Glock 19, super durable. The infamous SIG P320. That thing just feels great in the hand. It's perfect size. And then this is my other SIG P320. This is the M17 version. This is the full size with a manual thumb safety. Has the Leupold Delta Point Pro red dot. I believe it's the 5 minute of angle reticle. It doesn't pick up super well. But there it is. This thing's a lot of fun to shoot as well. And then this, I just got this one recently. This is the Springfield XDM 10mm. I call this my bear gun just because it's got a great punch to it. Hopefully you never need it for a bear, but it's good to have when you're in the backcountry somewhere. You might run into a bear, but yeah, this is what we're shooting today. $300 yards. Looks good to me. $400 yards. Let's see what we can't miss. It's just a hair low and right. That looks about sub-minute to me. Probably 3 inches or so, roughly. But it's pretty good. 400 yard, 3-inch group. It's pretty good.